Hello, teacher Alba. My name is Cristian Pulido. In the video, I'm going to pass vacations in June. I was to the neighbor city, going in for context of the bikes. This is my bike. Ahí está. My bike. The context. I'm going. And I go with two friends of Facatativá city. I arrived to Saturday to the neighbor city. Much people of the city. The context. I liked the track was going to participate. This is track. But I had the fault what hurt me. The hand in the ramp. I can't keep it training in the bike. I not participate in the contest of Saturday. The attitude of each participant very nice. I had fun on the walk with my friends. Despite the fall. Recommendations. Bueno, acá dice en la presentación. Most of person we went tripped a warm city. They trust the sun will rise. For your next trip, remember brief jacket and umbrella. Do not touch the weather. In the 2 days of which the weather in New was cloudy, but it was warm. Warm in noon and in the afternoon a lot of heat. Yeah. Thanks you, very, very, thank you, very nice, um, for for your for your attention. Goodbye, teacher Alba.